If you want to show your photos or videos on the Xiaomi TV A series, you can for sure do this, but first of all, you have to transfer all of those files into your USB drive or SSD drive. In my case, I'm going to use USB drive. And you have to also make sure that you have USB-A drive because this TV only have one USB-A port. It's not USB-C. You have to remember about this one. Now, when we are here, we just have to connect this drive into our TV. So we have to just simply plug it in like so. And right now we have to go into the front of our TV because after like 5 seconds, we will receive the notification that we have to open. So it actually depends what you want to do. If you want to view your photos or videos, in my case, let's say I want to view a video. So I have to select this with my remote controller. And over here, I can find all available videos and even the images. So we can quickly like make transition between videos, images, and music by using this. If I want to view, for example, some pictures, I can go for it, wait until it loads. And it looks like this because it was actually captured in the 16:9 aspect ratio. But if I'm gonna go for some videos that I just record in the normal aspect ratio, it should be somewhere here, I believe. Just wait for it until it will start playing. This format isn't so, but I can play, for example, this one, and there we go. So yeah, this is it. That's how we can do this step by step, and I hope you find it useful. So see you in my next tutorials.